Hi, I'm Tahira Joy here at Dr. Miracle's RX for Style for Hip Hop Meets Hair, and I am here with the beautiful Africa star of the New Atlanta. How are you?
I am wonderful. Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here. I love all things hair and I love hip hop, so it's a good mix.
Yes, and you're actually the first curly girl to step on the red carpet today.
Then that's even better.
Yes.
Girls with curls.
So
yes.
tell me about your style inspiration.
Well, Diana Ross, obviously. But no, I mean, I love big hair. I love Diana Ross. I love Shaka Khan. I love Dolly Parton. Like anybody that's giving you like that just big, larger than life. What they say, the higher the hair, the closer to God. Like, so all of that. But I love, I love, my hair is natural, but I love extensions and wigs because I'm a performer. So switch it up. Whatever's fun, whatever you want to try, I say do it.
I'm here with the legend, Charlie Baltimore. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Well, actually, I have a blog called The Cut Life, and we're all about girls with short hair, shaved hair, just an edgy lifestyle. Tell us about the inspiration behind the hair that you are rocking today.
Well, actually, the shave side really came into effect because I got a tattoo on this side, and they had to shave it down. And then I just was like, okay, I kind of like it, and I just kept kind of going with that whole, look.
And you're a trendsetter for hair color. How important has that been with your overall image throughout your career?
I don't really focus on it from an image perspective. I think it's more just a personal choice, you know what I mean? Like, I'll just wake up one day and want to change my hair. So I don't really, look at it from that perspective, like, okay, this is going to be a part of my image or not. It's just kind of how, how I feel at the time.
It's organically you, so it just works and people gravitate towards it.
I'm a Philly girl, so we like to play with our hair and hair color, so.
Tahira here with Dr. Miracle's RX for Style Lounge, and I'm here with the entrepreneur and the TV star, Miss Cynthia Bailey. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
Great, great. We are here for the BET Hip Hop Awards, and this event is all about hair and style.
Yes,
and you,
my favorite thing. My favorite two things.
Yes, and on Bravo, we've seen so many wonderful styles from you. What is like your inspiration behind your hairstyle choices?
Well, it's not even so much what my inspiration is. It's just really, I use hair as an accessory. I think that hair should always change. I don't always feel like short hair. I don't always feel like long hair. So I change it up. And recently, as you can see, I've been playing with color, which is a big thing for me, and I love it.
I have a special treat for you guys. This is like my little sister, Miss Diamond. How are you?
Oh my gosh, I'm wonderful now seeing your beautiful face.
And I am loving this bob. I have a new blog called The Cut Life, and we're all about short hair. And this bob is amazing.
Thank you. You know me. We've known each other for years, and I've always been the type that was never really my hair. I'm not really my hair, and just being older now, knowing to embrace and love the skin you're in. It's not about wearing long hair. It's about however you appear, whether it's bald-headed and you looking good and that's how you rocking it, that's how you rocking it. And right now, I like the short hairdos. It's easy, get up and go, it's no problem.
Low maintenance, that's what we're all about, and looking fabulous. I'm here with the beautiful Vina Mills, and we are talking about our lips that are popping today. What color are you wearing?
This is actually Cool Mint by a friend of mine. Yeah, Glam Geek Cosmetics. She's a girl from Detroit like me. Her name is Charnay, and I just support it. I love it. It goes on very smooth, and I'm an edgy girl. I like to mix glamour and edge together, and this color was perfect for my ensemble. So,
absolutely, and we have featured Vina Mills on our blog, The Cut Life, for her edgy hairstyle. We love you there. Tell us what inspired you to cut your hair and to do something so just fabulous and different.
It's crazy. I used to be a long hair fanatic. Like, I love long hair, big hair, just so much hair, until I realized my features were so strong. And then I hate looking like everyone else. I look like every other brown girl, and I was like, I just want to see myself differently. What could I do? Shave my sides. And then I shaved both sides because everyone was doing the one side, and then it was long in the middle. Then I decided to just bleach it blonde and cut it low, and I love it.